In this video, you will learn how to make your choice of school selection for the 2019-2020 school year. Log into your Skyward Family Access account from the Garland ISD homepage. Select the Online Forms tab and click Fill Out Form for the selected student. In the district message box on the right of the screen, select Choice of School. Then click the View Full Screen button. Verify the student information is correct in the green fields. Click the drop-down arrow next to each choice line and select a school. You can find the schools closest to you by clicking on School Information Locator. This will open a new window. Select the Closest Schools tab. Type your address and choose the level of school you are looking for to see the school that fits your criteria. If your child is currently enrolled and was registered before December 14, 2018, you should have received a letter of school choice through the mail. In this letter, you will find the names of schools that are closest to you. You will also know whether or not you are eligible for transportation. If you qualify, you will know for which schools this service is provided. If the box on the right is empty, your child is not eligible for bus transportation service. Sign and date the form. Click the Complete Step 1 Only button. Then you can click on the 2 Complete Choice of School or the Next Step button. After reviewing the information on the screen, click the Submit Choice of School button. You should now see a message that says Choice of School was successfully completed. You can now go back to review completed steps or make changes. For additional help, contact your child's campus or visit our resources at garlandisd.net/skyward. Thank you for choosing Garland ISD.